Why are sand dunes unique landforms? Imagine a landscape that can change shape right before your eyes, shaped by something as invisible as the wind. That's what makes sand dunes so fascinating. They are not just piles of sand. They are living, moving features of the Earth's surface. Unlike mountains or valleys that form slowly through volcanic activity or erosion, dunes are constantly reshaped by the breeze. When wind blows loose sand across a desert or beach, it picks up tiny grains and carries them along. When the wind slows down or hits an obstacle like a rock or plant, it drops the sand, creating a small mound. Over time, these mounds grow larger and start to take on different shapes. Gravity also plays a part, helping sand slide down the steeper sides of the dune, giving it a smooth, sloped appearance. This process makes dunes grow taller and move across the landscape, sometimes covering roads or changing the shape of the land entirely. Dunes come in many shapes because of how the wind blows and how much sand is available. For example, crescent-shaped dunes called barchan dunes from where sand is limited, with tips pointing downwind. When there is plenty of sand and the wind blows from one direction, long ridges called transverse dunes from perpendicular to the wind. In areas where plants grow and hold the sand in place, parabolic dunes develop, with U-shapes and tips pointing upwind. When winds come from two directions, long, straight dunes called longitudinal dunes form parallel to the wind. These different shapes show how the environment influences dune formation. Sand dunes are also constantly moving. As wind pushes sand up one side and down the other, dunes slowly shift across the land. This movement can be slow, taking years, or faster during storms or strong winds. Sometimes, dunes cover roads or change the coastline, showing how dynamic they are. On their surface, smaller ripples and tiny dunes form, revealing how wind shapes sand at many scales. Big dunes can reach hundreds of meters high, while tiny ripples are just a few centimeters across. Vegetation and water also influence dunes. Plants can stabilize the sand, especially near coasts or in semi-arid areas, creating habitats for animals. Water in the soil can help keep dunes in place, preventing them from moving too much. These plants act like natural anchors, protecting inland areas from strong winds or waves. Dunes are part of larger systems that grow, shrink, or shift because of natural events like storms, changes in wind patterns, or rising sea levels. Studying dunes helps us understand how deserts and coastal regions change over time. By building mini dunes with sand and a fan, students can see how wind moves grains and shapes landforms. These hands-on activities make learning about physical geography fun and easy to grasp. Sand dunes are more than just piles of sand. They are examples of how natural forces continuously shape our planet in ways that are visible and exciting to observe.